I'm Dr. Yashwant Nasir Chauhan, Medical Director, Sant Gajanan Maharaj Rural Hospital and Research Center, Mahagaon, Taluka, Gadingla, District, Kolhapur. This institute is established in the year 1997. Basically, the aim of the institute to provide the healthcare in the rural areas of Azara, Gadingla, Chandigarh talukas. Basically, we are providing the specialties in general surgery, gynec, ENT, ophthalm, as well as super specialty branches like neurosurgery, neurosurgery, super specialty, ophthalm branch, as well as neurology, and it includes all the ICU care as well as post-operative treatment, especially in the branches of oncosurgery as well as oncomedicines. This treatment nowadays, day by day, the treatment protocol is going to be changing, and the electronics and so many equipments are coming, which will be helping to the doctors. And day by day, the technology is superiorly increasing in the field of medicine, as well as some technology like CT scan, MRI, etc. And this product now, which this team is designing, that is more beneficial, especially the patients which is having heart disease, especially cardiovascular related events, as well as respiratory disorders, along with that neurosurgical traumas like paralysis patient, hemiplegia, etc. And that device which they are developed, that device will evaluate the patient's whole data from temperature, pulse, BP, respiration, SpO2. These are the basic parameters which can be recorded in their particular system, and data will be directly transferred to the particular physician, surgeon, or the physician who is treating that particular patients. Nowadays in India, that so many doctors are lacking, especially in the rural areas. In metros there is no problem, but in the rural sector there is lacking of doctors as well as some paramedical staffs. And this device is more useful. They can collect all the data and store in the particular their systems, and when some abnormal parameters arises, that data can be directly transferred to that particular person, and they can immediately start the treatment. And this data and this team is more betterly working in this sector. And according to our hospital team, from our this 100-bedded hospital, we will 100% give support to their brandings as well as for marketing purposes. And those patients who are coming, we also promote these activities, means how it's beneficial, what are the benefits to the particular patients, that will also introduce to the particular patients. Meanwhile, that will be useful for the society, and after all, that company will also get name and fame by if we are promoting in the particular manner. And after all, it will get their own brand, it will be get shortly established.